guys!
Hi guys!
For today's video, we're going to Tokhang!
Hey Daddy!
Yes?
Crab!
Yes!
And shrimp
And shrimp!
and squid
And shrimp!
and corn
And corn!
and green mussels.
And green mussels!
Yes.
Alright! See you!
See you!
So, ito po ang kanilang mga menu at presyo. Hi guys! What's your order?
Crabs!
Crabs. What else?
Itong seafood yan, oh. Kaya ano gusto mo sabaw? Gusto mo sabaw? Sinigang na ba mo sa pagkain?
Hi kuya! Sa vlog namin!
Walang iba, may bulalo lang.
Where?
Crabs!
Where?
Crabs!
Eat crabs.
Yeah.
Hi guys!
Give my life for you. Everything I believe in. Now I surrender. I surrender. Savior, He can move the mountains. My God is mighty to save.